Hey there, my name is Latrasha Bostic. I am an associate broker of Keller Williams, West Atlanta. Listen, if you're thinking about putting your home on the market and maybe you have some outdated fixtures in the home, or maybe the paint needs to be touched up and you're saying, you know what? I won't deal with that. We're just going to price the home accordingly and we'll put a little money to the side. So if a buyer wants that, we'll have it already. You do not want to do that, because let me just tell you, 55% of our buyers today are millennials. They are instant gratification buyers. They don't want to deal with that, okay? They will walk into a home, and if they see that there's just way too much to be done after closing, they will just say, forget it, let's move on. They are ready to close on their homes, do their social media posts, go and start unpacking and bringing in their new items and inviting friends over and starting to live. So take the time out, okay? I work with millennials quite a bit, and I try to get them to say, oh, hey, the house is priced accordingly. They ain't going for it, okay? So save yourself some time. Go ahead. Get those items taken care of before you list the home. And if you need any more recommendations or information on what to do, or hey, if you even need me to come over and take a look at it, give me a call. My number is 678-438-3217. Thank you.